in life, you know, like where me live in one building, you see, one little old house. And me tell her, say, me get harassed. Every time I come down the step, me get harassed. The woman have a problem with me. And me go laundry and go wash the clothes them. And I put my clothes in the car, the woman have a problem with me. The woman I tell lie upon me, say me a trouble her, and me say something to her, me a pass her door. And as God be my witness, me never open my mouth to the woman, you know. Old woman could have been my great grandmother. But me not have time for problem and for people. Me they go and tell them lie and go on with their nonsense. Because sooner or later, God is going to get them. When you see you're young and you're a young woman, and you live out your life as a young, beautiful woman, right? And you can know when somebody is tyrant and they're not good, you know. Because they're whole. And when they're whole, you see them try dress and look young. And they hold up all tattoo upon the wrinkle kin. They hold up all tattoo upon the wrinkle kin. The whole of the kin wrinkle up and whole, and them still have on tattoo. Still have on tattoo, say them a broke style. If you young as a young woman and you nurse yourself from you're young until you're older, you don't have nothing in your old days. You have to walk and clean people's shit and pissing people and harassing them. You sure never have a life, baby. You sure did not have a life. I, my pretty girl, I sure did not have a life, me tell you. And so on is to it. So people, I will talk to you again because I forget the bulb upon the fire. The bulb upon the fire. You understand me? So basically like that. God is good and His mercy endure forever, right? People, pick up on yourself. Hey, pick up on yourself. Me I gonna make a little in pan the bulga when the bulga boil. If you make the bulga boil up, you know, it have to boil up like when blessing are multiplied by the grain. Trust me, the bulga.